Life no easy, my brother. Morning come with iron smoke, boots dirty, body tired. Long road from my mama's house, still my spirit never died. Too much pressure for one man, still I carry all this load. Many nights no food for table, still somehow we moving forward. When the world say you no fit, something deep says stand again. Still and hallelujah, pain inside me still knowing. Rain keep falling on my body, still I rise again. Still and hallelujah, hard life build a stronger soul. Now the same man people overlook got fire inside his bones. So my people lose direction, trying hard to heal their pain. Some turn cold from too much struggle, some get lost inside the rain. But my mama tell me softly, son, Lord, let this world break you. Now I sing for all the workers trying hard to make it through. Every scar become my lesson, every loss become my fuel. Still and hallelujah, pain inside me still knowing. Rain keep falling on my body, still I rise again. Still and hallelujah, hard life build a stronger soul. Now the same man people overlook got fire inside his bones. Jet fuel softly, still standing, still breathing, still moving.